more violence, no more pain.
No more violence, no more pain. We need to make a change.
The ghetto made man.
Lead the black man back in the right direction. God bless our souls to put down those weapons. He wanna be a hitter, his life don't seem bigger. Send you on a mission, he ain't dying with you, doing time with you. Raise your seed when you're deadbeat, misled in the streets, dead in the beat, face on the shirt, balloons in the sad procession. Hope you said the Lord's Prayer as a last
We went from
confession.
bean pie papers to crack sales to get mail. From hip-hop phase to stunner shades, razor blades and hand grenades. They try and drive-bys, stay inside just to survive. Living next to the killer and telling it's suicide. Dome shots and metal chest plates, incarceration waits. Was a homie but now he player hates. Cause you pushing weight in the ghetto, who's to blame?
No more violence, no more pain. Ain't no coming back again.
No more violence, no more pain.
No more violence, no more pain. We need to make a change.
No more violence, no more pain.
Crack got the community black, lost the unity. Used to go to school with me, now he wanna shoot at me. Truthfully, making it easy for them to move me. Moving us on prime real estate, then boosting the value. Why you wanna hang with the foul dudes? Killing off your cousin in the wickedest council. Our kids being raised to think like we scoundrels. Only wanna feed you if they 4 pounds you.
Always on a solo, it's me, myself, and I. To death do us part till we ride. Life is short, keeping it on the low-low. Doing my dirt on the solo. Block movement is super slow-mo. I'm a cash getter, hater, hitter, tender bender. Pushing chrome fenders. Glock stopper, rocket popper with a military mind. Behind enemy lines, finger on my thumper, cause you ain't taking
No
mine.
more violence, no more pain. Ain't no coming back again.
No more violence, no more pain.
No more violence, no more pain. We need to make a change.
No more violence, no more pain.
We need peace in the streets, love in the homes, real life on the CDs, live to get grown, come greater, young player, formulate strategies, train the game to cut back the casualties. Tragedy stricken, flipping, getting easier. Show respect, get respect, what we need, bruh. Change the mindset, build on them prospects, maintain the flyness and stop the
In the
violence.
hood,